Biodiversity is very important to environmental sustainability. Because all plants and creatures are interconnected in some way and rely on each other for survival.
Did you know that plants and trees are the most amazing thing in our world because they
Give us clean air to breathe. We can't live long without air.
give us clean water to drink? Water transpires through plants, evaporates to clouds, and gives us fresh water.
Plants help to regulate the temperature on Earth. Without plants, it would be much hotter during the day because plants use up all the energy when transpiration is taking place to provide shade to keep us cool.
Provide food and shelter for animals, including us.
Try building a house without timber.
Or buying an apple or orange without trees. They are beautiful.
And fun to climb and play near.
Found you.
Because we understand how important it is to have biodiversity, our school has planted thousands of native and indigenous trees over the last 30 years.
Like this one. We even planted them in Wandana Reserve.
We also have lots of big habitat trees that also prevent erosion.
A lot of middle story. Even understory is very important for
Preventing erosion.
shelter and food for smaller creatures that supply food for the larger creatures. Shading the ground from the hot baking Australia sun.
We planted 450 Indigenous plants during School Trees Day. Biodiversity helps to see if our school is a nice place for Indigenous plants and animals to live.
We found out that we have lots of tall trees where bird snakes nest, for example, tawny frogs nest, and where possums live. We have lots more logs than we thought, which create homes for small creatures.
Most of our school ground has ground covering of some sort, which reduces erosion that keeps the soil cool and moist, which creates homes for small creatures like lizards, frogs, and insects.
We have a lot of vegetables growing in our veggie garden like raspberries, garlic, and strawberries. Having our own veggie garden reduces food mass to stop carbon dioxide from going into the environment.
And it's delicious too!
During Teaching Kids Week, we invited 5 other schools to our school and taught them about companion planting in the veggie patch.
That you don't need a big space for a veggie garden.
You can plant a small veggie garden in a large pot.
You can even grow your own veggie garden in an old wheelbarrow.
All the visitors planted some veggies in our garden. It's fun.
And we're given a 2-metre Indigenous plant to plant in their own school garden.
They took some veggie plants home to start their own garden, school garden. We used to put our scraps into this bin, but we don't anymore because it got all smelly.
Now we trench them and cover over them with dirt.